birthday. Next to that naman, ito na yung family ni Ate every Sunday. Mga kasama niya sa choir. Really, really
Happy sweet birthday, Ate. On this special day, may you be filled with joy, love, and memories that will last a lifetime. This is the beginning of a new chapter, full of dreams, opportunities, and amazing experience. Embrace every moment and never be afraid to live it. May your year be vibrant and full of happiness. Be an inspiration to others and continue to shine and brightly. And as BTC choir, always love you.
Thank you, Ate Raylene. Okay, Travis.
Happy birthday po, Ate Jen. Wishing you all the best and may all your dreams come true. And sana po mas maging close pa po tayo. Happy birthday.
Travis. Sige. Gwen.
Happy birthday po, Ate Jen. Your birthday is tumama po sa'yo. Don't forget to pray and always remember that God and your family always loves you. Sana lumaki ka pang at masaya. Pagpatuloy mo po ang iyong pag-aaral.
Okay naman kay Ate Gwen. Kasi nasabi niyo yung wish nyo. Tuloy kayo. May nalilimutan kayong i-share sa kanya. After wishing. Okay. Next, Dana.
Hi, Ate Jen. Happy birthday. I hope your birthday today is filled with joy. I also hope that we can become closer and that you enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Ate Jen.
Next na. Kaya.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen. Sana mag-enjoy ka po and mag-enjoy. Lang po, Ate Jen.
Okay. Joey.
Happy birthday, Ate Jen. To your day and good luck for your next birthday. Always remember God loves you. Wishing you all the happiness and joy in the world today and always. Happy birthday.
Okay. Ito na yung buong pamilya ng Kuya Roberta. Gawin ka na sa lahat. Next na yung sa'yo, i-represent sa Bibi, Lola Oray, her best friend, Lola Tita. Sige. Happy birthday na.
Nagtatangahin mo sa lahat na ito. Kami po ay masaya sa nag-aaral ng happy birthday sa may kaarawan niyo. Gusto ko pong share din din ang isang topic na maganda ng happy birthday. Tayo lahat, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Next to Lola, classmate ko ni Ate Jen. Okay. Matt. Matt. Okay, Matt. Ay, Matt.
Ayan, alam mo naman na na-sorry ako sa school, pero it's okay, hindi nasan. I really appreciate yung mga times na magkakasama tayo ng mga kaibigan. And I wish you to have a prosperous life and galingan mo sa school kasi alam mo na meron kang maraming opportunities.
Number classmate ko now.
Happy birthday, MJ. Ay, pagkakilala tayo ng matagal na school year parang mas nakilala kita na sobra. Sana matupad ko yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay. Birthday.
Birthday, Jen.
Okay, thank you. So, syempre, nakapag-isip lahat. Ako naman, medyo mahaba lang, short storytelling. Long way ago, once upon a time, dyan. Si Sir Dave Lamig ko, isang batang kasi sa punong tulay. Inimbite ko siya, at doon naman, so, prayer come to him. Tapos, along my way, pinili ko si Jem, si Mami Jem, nakauwi lang kami sa choir, mahilig magkwento, magsalita, alam ko na isa kang isip, wala lang makulit bata. Isa kami sa prayer come to him, para mabuti sa heart. Sir Dave, nakita ko siya kumain sa ulan, basta ako, lahat ng gusto ko sa buhay, gusto ko nandun ako, para nakita ko yung ano mo ako. Itong awit na to din para sa iyo. Focus lang tayo para yung mahaba. Pakinggan nila lang yung mga pangkuha. Direkin yung mga kapatid ng buhay. Ito yung
Alam mo ha?
Sige. Happy birthday, Daral Mabuti. Sana, wish ko lang, sana umito sa pag-damay sa amin, damay-damay na to. Yung wish ko na to, hindi lang para sa kanya, para na-rin sa inyo lahat. Tulungan nyo kami. Ako'y sisilbi hanggang kaya. Pero hindi ko kaya na mag-isa lang. Sama ko kayo lagi. Diyan, aral mabuti. Laging maglilingkod kay Lord. Yun lang. Happy birthday and more blessings. a helping hand, and nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me. Soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running, see you again. With the spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there. Got a friend. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I come running, see you again. With the spring, summer, or fall, all you got to do is call, and I'll be there. Got a Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong pagsilang. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Jer.
Okay. Alex, ito na yung pinaka-ano the best ever. Greetings pa. Ni Mami Bear. Mami Bear. Oh, ito pa. Ayun na. Ano? Hindi na kami review. Ito na lang. Para ano? Para hindi si Mami sunod level drawing tayo. Ayan. O, Mami Bear, you hold mo na mic.
Come here, Evan. I don't want to be emotional because it's your day and this should be a happy celebration. Diba naiyak ako? Your love and your life will be very happy if we are here. But I'm sure we are singing happy birthday to you in heaven. Thank you so much for everybody who joined the celebration of the birthday of our daughter. It's very sad that we're celebrating a birthday that we never celebrated again, the first anniversary of Gladys at Chamamito. But this is a happy occasion, and we're truly blessed to have you as a daughter. You're our miracle child. We know that you bring joy to the family, and we are all here to support you, your dad, your kuya, me, with all the endeavors that we will need to. And we wish you that you will be continually serving the Lord, and you will finish the studies that you committed, especially to your daughter and Lola, that you will become a doctor. Okay? And that will be all. Thank you so much, and happy
Okay, happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday! Thank you!
Ay ang aking daddy and daughter. Ay, una muna pala si Kuya Basti. God. May wish and dance number, Kuya Basti.
Wish na wish.
Wish and dance number ni
Ay,
Ate.
dapat pala doon.
Oo, pwede. Dito siya ako na.
Wish muna, kuya. Yun. Yeah, go there. Go there. Ah. Daddy.
Next, daddy.
Ano daw sinabi? Amoy bulong! Amoy bulong!
Jenny, wish ko talaga kay Jenny, good health. Tsaka yung, syempre, yung mga wishes niya sa buhay, dreams niya, sana ma-fulfill niya. So, gusto ko lang malaman mo na kami ng mahal mo, nakasuporta kami kung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay. Sabihin mo lang. Tapos, siguro nung as a father, nami-miss ko yung Jenny na malambing. So, tsaka yung napaka-cheerful. So, sana kahit konti, bumalik lang ayun. So, happy kami na kami yung naging parents mo. Blessing kasi sabi nga ni Mami, napakahirap nung pregnancy ni Mami ko sa Angel. So, miracle baby talaga si Jen. So, thank you very much. Dumating ka sa buhay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Isa sa'yo.
Okay. Let's give a chance. Our daughter. Okay, Kuya Basti.
Be careful, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay. Thank you for the dance. Ito pa. Ma'am Del, palagay ko, I turn over na ang microphone. Happy